Welcome to the unboxing of Arduino R4 Wi-Fi board. Hello everyone. So this is Arduino R4 R4 Wi-Fi board. So here you can see, yes, it's Uno R4 Wi-Fi board. See the details. Oh, it's good. It's good. Well, I'm not an expert. So let's see. Okay, let's unbox it. Let's unbox it right now. We're unboxing it. Oh, it's cool. It's cool. Look, this is it. Look. Okay, there is a name. It's not sure. There is a sticker. There is a thank you. Got the user manual here. Got the user manual. So that's all. Thank you. Hello. This is the basic starter kit for Uno Arthropodics. Unboxing. Hello. These are the contents. We have this. We have this. We have this. We have this. We have this, all of this. The DHT11 sensor. There we have that. There, this, have this, and we have that. We have number 8, Kobe Bryant from Lower Merion High School. And lastly, we have that the breadboard. That's all for today's video. Thank you.